Most Airbnb hosts complain about empty nights, but in this video, I'm revealing 5 surprising tricks that can help fill your calendar every single week. So if you've been complaining about low bookings, this right here is your game changer. Hey hosts, welcome back to the channel. I'm Angela, your Airbnb co-host and arbitrage expert, helping new hosts achieve full occupancy and earn even when you don't own property. So let's dive straight into the 5 hacks that helped my clients achieve full bookings almost overnight. Hack 1, dynamic pricing, which is your gap filling strategy. This one alone can increase your bookings drastically. Here's the trick. Lower your rates on unsold nights. Experts found that reducing your prices 7 days before an open date helps fill gaps and increase your listings visibility drastically. Algorithm loves visibility. When your rate drops, Airbnb pushes you higher. Hack 2, professional photos. Upgrade your listing photos. Most hosts underestimate this, but your photos decide whether it gets clicks or scrolls. Bright staged, professionally shot rooms instantly attract attention. Tips: turn on every light, shoot at eye level, add lifestyle touches. Better photos is equal to better click through, which is more bookings. Hack 3, unique amenities that stand out. Add unique amenities that make guests save your listing instantly. It could be a mini coffee bar, a hot tub, board games, a vanity setup, or ring lights for content creators. A dedicated workspace. Amenities like this make your listing wish list worthy, and wish list helps your ranking. Hack 4, turn on instant book. I know some Airbnb hosts are afraid of it, but here's the truth. Airbnb favors listings that allow instant booking. It helps you capture spontaneous travelers, business travelers, last minute bookers. If you want full occupancy, this feature is non-negotiable. Hack 5, early review strategy, and this is my secret sauce. Offer special rates to your first 3 guests. Why? Because positive early reviews boost your credibility and your search position. Once those reviews come in, your listing gains trust and booking starts flowing faster. So which hack would you try first? Drop it in the comments. And if you want to take your occupancy to the next level, check out my playlist on advanced pricing tricks. It's packed with strategies that top hosts use but never talk about. If this helped you, hit like and subscribe for more hosting tips.